The question says, give three main functions of leaves. Now let us see the answer to this question. The important function of leaves are as follows. Now let us read about the first function, that is photosynthesis. Now the main function of leaves is photosynthesis, that is manufacture of food. Now all green leaves, they have chlorophyll, the green pigment, and this chlorophyll helps to trap the energy from sunlight, and this energy it is used in making of food from the carbon dioxide which is present in atmosphere and water. Now these leaves that make food in the form of glucose and it converts into starch for storage. So leaves are known as the food factories of plant, as each plant has a green pigment which is known as chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll helps to make food from the energy of the sunlight. Now during photosynthesis, leaves use carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. So for the photosynthesis process, they use the carbon dioxide which is present in the atmosphere, and as a product they give out oxygen in the atmosphere. We can see the diagram which is given here, which shows the process of photosynthesis. So the leaves which are performing photosynthesis from the energy of sunlight, they are converting the carbon dioxide and the water to the food, and they give out oxygen as a product of photosynthesis into the atmosphere. Now let us read about the second function, that is transpiration. Now transpiration is the removal of excess of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of leaves through the stomata. It cools the plant body in hot summer. So leaves in plant, they perform transpiration to remove the excess water which is present through the stomata, and it also helps to cool the plant body. Now transpiration generates suction force which help the plant to absorb water and minerals by its root from the soil. So transpiration also serves another function, that it creates a force through which the plant can absorb the water and minerals from the roots in the soil. So we can see the figure which shows transpiration and absorption of water. So this shows that water is being transpired by the leaves, and it also creates a force through which the water and minerals are being absorbed by the plant through the roots, and water and minerals are going to the various parts of the plants. Now the third function which is performed by leaves are respiration. Now in plants, the exchange of respiratory gases that takes place through tiny pores present on the surface of leaf. Now these pores are known as stomata. So stomata helps in the exchange of gases between the plant body and the atmosphere, and at night there is no photosynthesis that is taking place because sunlight is not present. So leaves breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide through the stomata. However, during the daytime, leaves use carbon dioxide from the air to carry out photosynthesis. Because in daytime sunlight is present, so photosynthesis will occur. So stomata help to take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and it helps to create the food and release oxygen to atmosphere, because oxygen is the product formed by the photosynthesis, and oxygen supports the life on earth. So we all know that we need oxygen for breathing and performing many functions in our body. So hence oxygen is required to support the life.